What's up guys, my name is Olawiye Ojo. I'm a graphics designer from Nigeria. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create this awesome glitch effect in Photoshop. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you're going to create a new file. Go to File, go to New. Make sure the width is set to 1920 and the height is set to 1080. Make sure your background content is black. Hit Create. Once you're inside the new document, go to the text tool and click on the new canvas. You see a text pop up. You're going to type in whatever you're going to add the glitch effect to. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be typing in glitch. Once that's done, scale it up a little bit if it's not already scaled up and centralize the work. Alright. After this, go into the blending options. You're going to want to turn off blue and green and leave red turned on. Then press Ctrl J to duplicate this layer. For the top layer, you're going to go into the blending options. You're going to turn off red but turn on green and blue. Hit OK. Once that is done, go to the navigation keys on your keyboard. Click on the left key a couple of times. Once this is done, select both layers and convert them to smart objects. After this, go to the square marquee tool and create some selections. To add more selections, press Shift and create some variations in the selections you make. Once this is done, click on the mask tool. You are going to duplicate this layer one more time. Hit Ctrl J. For the top layer, we'll have to invert the layer mask. So click on the layer mask and click Ctrl I. Now the glitch effect is coming through. That's basically it. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe and share my videos. See you next time.